In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a centerline line type in AutoCAD. Whether you're detailing engineering drawings or creating architectural designs, knowing how to use line types effectively is essential. The centerline line type is particularly useful when clarifying the positioning of symmetric objects or indicating axes of symmetry. By the end of this video, you'll be proficient in adding and applying the centerline line type to your drawings with ease. Let's start by adding the centerline line type to your drawing. Begin by typing L-type on the command line and then press Enter. This command opens the Line Type Manager, which is where you'll manage all your line types. Once the Line Type Manager window pops up, you'll see a Load button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a list of available line types that you can add to your project. Now, here's a helpful tip. You can quickly locate the center line type by scrolling through the list, but a faster way is to simply press the letter C on your keyboard. This will jump you straight to the section where you'll find the center line type options. Once you're there, take a moment to choose the size of the center line that best fits your project needs before selecting OK to confirm your choice. This step will add your chosen center line to the list of line types available to your current drawing. With the center line type now added, the next step is to apply it to the lines you want to change. Simply select the lines that you wish to update. With the lines selected, look towards the Properties section, which you can find on the Home tab. Here, in the Properties section, you'll find a drop-down list labelled Line Type. This is where you'll make your change. Click on the drop-down and choose the Centerline line type from the list. And that's it. You're done. Your selected lines have now been updated with the centerline line type. As a word of advice, always ensure your line types are clearly visible and suit the scale of your drawing. If needed, you can adjust the line type scale for better clarity and readability within your design. By following these steps, you've now mastered essential skills for integrating center lines into your AutoCAD projects. This technique not only helps in organizing and clarifying your designs, but also significantly enhances the professional appearance of your drawings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in expanding your AutoCAD skills.